Hi everyone, PAC-PREZ here, and I want to do just a quick video talking about how to get more of these for your high security padlock. And the short answer is, don't call PACLOCK, right? These keys are protected one way or another, and the DoD Lock Program and the DLA needs to make sure that you're controlling them in accordance with the regulations. So if you feel like you need more keys for your high security padlock, call your unit commander, call the DoD Lock Program, call somebody, but in the end, PACLOCK can't help you out with that. Sure, give us a call, we'll see if we can figure something out for you, but ultimately, the lock program is the best way to go.